All right, so here we go with another weekly recap. I haven't done these in a while. I've been kind of slacking, and I think it's been affecting my trading performance. But I've been kind of sick, so if I sound weird or than I normally do, I've been sick past couple days. Even though I don't have corona, I did go and get tested. Okay, so started with the weekly. Um, let's look at orders. Okay, now coming into this week. We saw that we had what looks like to be a right shoulder right here. And let's see, let's set it down here is probably a daily demand. I'll probably tighten that up on each four. Something like that, right? Okay, now before we get into this week, we had H4 resistance zone right here. We had H4 demand right here. Okay. Then this is trash, so this is probably gonna get covered. Yeah, what you do. So let's go into the week. Now that we have those marked up from over here. So let's just mark a couple of things. So previous daily high, low, there. What we can see, this is the London session. Let's mark our London high, low, put in 15. I would be like right there. Let's make that grid. Low B right there. Okay. So coming into New York or pre-New York, we were above this. We're above the London high, so we could get up and retest this zone, which actually was this shoulder right here. If you can see that, nice quality. So that came up at around 7, created a nice bullish, pin, whatever that thing is. So now if we go to the M5 to see if we can find a reversal pattern at that H4 level. So coming off that H4 level, we have a 1, 2, 3. So the right shoulder starts above the shoulder, and we can take that back down to this H4 structure, but I think we could have took it down to the daily lows probably. That was Monday's trade. This would have been first TP. It was the previous London high, and it was also the move that gave us this impulse up. So this would have been first TP, and that would have gave us a 1 to 3, and then our next TP would have been down. Well, this gave us something like that. Okay. So now moving on to the next day. All right, what do we got? Okay, we see we're kind of in bearish flow, but we can see we're also approaching H4 zone. So look at the next morning. Let's mark our daily lows and daily highs and all that good stuff on the lows on the highs. Okay, so next day, previous daily high, previous daily low. Okay, go to M15. And our London highs there. Our London low is right here. So now we know we're in bearish flow. So actually two moves we could have took this two different ways. We could have took this as a retracement because this couldn't close, this couldn't stay below our London low or our daily low. So the price came back up. Or we could have waited for it to come back up. And then since we are in a bearish market, take it. And yeah, see what happens. See. So yeah, we could have took this up. That would have been a retracement. It's 1, 2, 3. Or we could have waited for it to come up here. And price created another quasi 1, 2, 3. So we took that. Pips. We took it, we know this created this impulse up, so let's just say we took it there. And actually to 120. So we could have took that trade. But break evens would have got hit. So excuse me. Alright, so going to the next day. Let's see. We are still in bearish flow. So let's see what we got. Previous daily highs. Our previous daily highs right here. Previous daily lows right here. Okay. London had a nice move. Let's see if we can get in. London high would have been right here. I'm not going to mark that off because it kind of just matches the previous daily low. The London low would be right here. We can mark that red. And now, go to M5, see if we have anything we can catch. We can know that we are in daily, we're in a daily zone, so probably would have been TP in it like this. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Either way, we could have got the double top. Because again, we are in bearish flow, so we should only look for sales. So I only took it to there. Still up to a 1-2 ratio. So still pretty good. And then price retrace up because we are in daily. Okay, so for the next day. Next day, excuse me, we have our daily highs right there, daily lows right here. Let's see where our London high low is. Okay, so London High right here, and London Low right there. Okay, so now we see this. I saw this cross and thought, hey, we're going bearish, and we're in bearish flow. So let's see if we can find a reversal pattern. Now look at that. 1, 2, 3. It happened before this time. So I don't know if I would have necessarily caught this. It's a pretty good one to retest. I don't know if I even would have got a trade here because the head and shoulders or the quality, whatever you call it, happened up here. The price never kind of came back and never gave me any kind of options. Just break and retest, but no like double tops or qualities or anything like that. So this probably would have been my only chance at an entry. But so I guess no trade on Thursday. Can't force it. Can't force it. Although that looks super clean, cannot force it. Alright, so next day. Previous day low. Previous day high. London. Okay, so this looks easy. It couldn't stay closed below. It couldn't break retest and fall through, I guess, below the daily low. So stay down there. Went down and immediately returned up. So to London low. London high right there. Okay, so this seems like it should be fairly easy. Alright, easy. So at 20, we got a Quasimodo. Bam, bam, bam. So below. As I said, we took it to 80. It's all 1 to 12 trade ratio. Alright, it's pretty insane. Alright, so that's pretty much it. I've got to get back into doing these because these two help me out and hopefully it helps somebody in the near future. But these do help me out to see what I missed and I can take advantage of moves come next week. I am probably not going to trade next week because it is election week. So just throwing that out there. Election week will not have any regards for your stop loss, for your any of that stuff. So you can have a stop loss and price doesn't necessarily have to respect it. And what I mean by that is it can go past that stop loss and keep going, keep taking your money. So good luck. Until next time.